Namaste, my name is Dipti Shah and I'm from the Yoga Institute. Friends, do you know how do you feel every morning when you wake up? Is there the rush or the hazel as in, oh, it's already time up and you have to rush to school or you have to go to college or you have to go to work and there is very little time. So very quickly you start doing all your tasks. Or there is a complete opposite of it, that there is sluggishness. You keep snoozing the alarm and after a few such snoozes you get out of the bed. You don't feel like leaving the bed, but ultimately your work forces you to get out of it. So which of these feelings it is? Mornings are the most important part of our day. They are the most important foundation, by which we set the tone for the day ahead. Embracing the mornings is like embracing the day with a new potentiality. It is a fresh start. But nowadays, morning blues, Monday blues, these are the terms which has been glorified. The sluggishness, the resistance has also been glorified. So definitely these are valid feelings, but still it steals away the potential which a morning has. When I say that it is a most important foundation for the day, it has very important potential. But if we are constantly going to think upon and validate our feelings for the blues, for the sluggishness, then we are not going to make the most of our day. So how is it that we can turn this morning blues into morning clarity? So today I'm going to talk to you about 5 routines that you all can make it a part of your morning duties and which can help you to set the tone for the day ahead. And with this routine, you will have more clarity to approach the day ahead. So let's see which are these 5 routines that one can inculcate in their lifestyle. The first one is hydrate yourself with water. A very important aspect. So the moment you wake up, before doing anything else, before brushing your teeth or having your bed tea, you go and have a glass of lukewarm water. Why is it very important? Lukewarm water, a glass of lukewarm water helps us in flushing away the toxins of the body. So if you know about the circadian rhythm, then the time up to 12 noon is considered as the elimination phase. It is the time when the body works towards removing all the waste out of the body. And consuming 1 glass of lukewarm water help the body in this task of flushing away the toxins. Add 1 spoon of lemon juice to it and you further make it a beautiful detoxification drink. It also helps in rejuvenating the body and energize the body. So this is the first thing, you hydrate yourself with lukewarm water, not very hot water, not cold water. The second thing is, it is very important to spend time with sun. Nowadays, because everything we are operating are in the closed extensions, the closed rooms. We work in closed offices, the universities are closed, even gym or the sports arena has been the closed areas, enclosures. We do not spend time in sun. So it is very important to energize yourself with the sun. We as human beings are tuned to live with the sun. Sun is the most important energy source for the entire existence on this planet Earth. Sun is equally important for our spiritual growth. So at least spending 5 to 10 minutes with sun on a daily basis is a very important aspect of the morning routine. During this 5 to 10 minutes, you may choose to do some stretching. You may also choose to do sun salutations or Surya Namaskars. You can access Nispan app and we have videos on Surya Namaskar. If you have knee problem, if you have any health condition, we have videos on even chair Surya Namaskar. So you can access that and do some beautiful stretches, and even along with these stretches, we have also provided you with a lot of morning stretches that one can do. So doing that with sun will energize you, will boost you with a lot of energy for the day ahead. The third routine is that of mindful breathing. Friends, breathing is a very important aspect to calm our mind and to bring that inner peace. This inner peace is very helpful to bring clarity. And with this clarity, when we do the task for the day ahead, then even the productivity increases. So what should we do for this mindful breathing? So our founder Sri Yogendra Ji has given us a very beautiful technique of equal breathing. Even if you don't know many other breathing techniques or pranayams, because if you don't do it under proper guidance, it may result into bodily harm as well. So this technique of equal breathing, wherein you just focus on your breath and count your inhalation and your exhalation, and you try and bring them in balance. It's a very simple technique, but a very powerful technique by which all the respiratory muscles of the body also gets an exercise. They too get the necessary stretches, and thereby it increases the oxygen levels to the body. So mindful breathing with awareness, with counts, is a very important morning routine. The fourth one is to train our mind, and that is setting the intention for the day. There might be a lot of things that we want to do in our day. So let's make a list of the most important tasks which we are going to perform in a day. And in this, we are going to set the intention. What are the most important tasks that we need to do? It could also be affirmations, affirming to yourself that yes, it's a great day, it's an opportunity that you have got to still accomplish what you need to accomplish. It is also a very important exercise to reinforce your abilities, your skills to yourself. So you may want to say that yes, great, today I'm all ready to face all the challenges that the day is going to bring it to me. So with this kind of more affirmations, you can set the intention for the day. Once again, I would request you to access Nispan app, wherein you will find a lot of different affirmations that you can have. If you are a student, you may want to access those affirmations. If you are in a relationship, there are different affirmations that one requires. So for that, you can access Nispan app. And the last one, which is again a very important, once again giving physical energy to the body, and that is having sattvic breakfast. Breakfast is the most important aspect, and as I told you earlier, following the circadian rhythm of the body up to 12 noon, it is the time for the body to flush away the toxins out of the body. Now, in this time, if we are going to torture our body, or if we are going to give too much of a heavy food to the body, it becomes very difficult for the body to digest. So for that not to happen, you need to consume sattvic breakfast, which could be poha, upma, or fruits. They are the best because they take the least amount of time to digest. So having fruits in the morning will once again provide the necessary energy that the body requires to take the day ahead, and at the same time does not torture the body or does not give more work to the body, and it helps the body in working towards the elimination process of flushing away the toxins. So these are the 5 important things by which you can transform the morning blues into morning clarity. And then again, I want to ask you the question, after following this, how do you feel your morning has been? Is it still sluggish? Is it still in a haste? Or now you are more energetic for the day and you take every day with a stride of happiness? So please keep sharing this with us in the comments below. Thank you so much. Namaste.